series and parallel circuits. So that we can relate the use of Watts and Ohm's law, let's take a look at some simple resistors, how you may see them in a circuit, talk about series and parallel circuits, and some common circuits in your daily life that you can relate to. Then we will discuss heating elements and other resistive loads. In a series circuit, you have one defined path for current to flow, and the resistors are connected in that path. When you apply power and current starts to flow, the current flows through the resistors in that path. To determine the entire resistance for the path, you add the ohm value of each resistor in the path together. Using Ohm's law, we can determine the current flow for that circuit. Also note that voltage measured across each resistor or load is distributed based on the resistance. This is called voltage drop. You may hear this term also be used when someone is describing how much voltage decreases when the circuit is turned on. In a parallel circuit, there is more than one path for current to flow, and the math changes. Let's look at a water hose, for example. If I use a second hose, I can now move more water because I gave the water a second path to go through. The same applies in current flow. If you have equal resistance values in the circuit and only two paths for current to flow, it is easy to figure out. You can determine the total resistance using several formulas. In this circuit, you can use the ohm value of one resistor divided by 2, and that will give us our total resistance. Another way is the ohm times ohm divided by ohm plus ohm gives us our total ohm value. Then there is the reciprocal formula for cases where you have more than two paths and unequal resistance values. The reciprocal formula is 1 divided by the ohm value plus 1 divided by the ohm value plus 1 divided by the ohm value equals 1 divided by the total ohm value. It gives us our total resistance. A common parallel circuit you use daily is the lights in your house. Multiple lights will be connected to the same circuit. Series and parallel circuits are what we work with most of the time. Get used to separating the circuits mentally so you can troubleshoot. You will likely see multiple circuits within a circuit. Your ability to see them separately will help you troubleshoot more efficiently. For example, if I have a light circuit with a dimmer switch, the dimmer switch and light bulb create a series circuit within a parallel circuit.